Hey friends, I've got a super fun snack to show you today. These are the legendary brown sugar cinnamon flavored protein pastries. It's a mouthful, but these things are super fun. Now, if you're anything like me, grew up as a 90s kid and absolutely loved having Pop-Tarts as a snack, let's be honest, those things are terribly unnutritious. So having something like this, a protein pastry that offers some better nutrients, is going to be a game changer. So let's take a closer look at the ingredients. First ingredient is that protein blend, which is great, again, to get a little extra protein. Again, we do have some artificial sweeteners in here, as well as some emulsifiers and other different things. So again, this isn't gonna be a perfect snack, but when compared to a normal pastry, I definitely think it's a great alternative. Here's a look at the nutrition facts. You can see it's 180 calories. Again, this is for a single serving, so a single pastry. You've got 22 carbs, but 9 of those are fiber. Again, it does have 9 grams of that artificial sweetener, as well as some other nutrition information. Now, they recommend 10 seconds in the microwave, so just really quick to heat it up. Definitely makes the taste experience better in our opinion. Out of the wrapper, you can see what the pastry actually looks like. Again, remember, this is a single pastry, unlike its full sugar Pop-Tart alternatives, but because it has so much protein, it is quite filling as a light snack. Okay, heat it up in the microwave 10 seconds. It's nice and warm. Let's give it a quick taste test so I can show you what the middle filling looks like. Oh yeah, and that is tasty. It really does have a nice soft pastry experience as you bite into it. You can see the middle filling there. It does give a really nice flavor. Now, there is a little bit of that artificial sweetener flavor on this, so don't expect it to be as good as like the full sugar comparative version, but definitely a good alternative in our opinion. Super fun. They've got all sorts of flavors to choose from. Go check them out. We'll put some links in the description box below if you'd like to grab them for yourself. Stay tuned. We got a bunch more of these snack review videos to give you a better idea of what's out there. Hope that helps, friends. We'll see you again on the next one.